Assalamualaikum, annyeonghaseyo. Hi everyone, welcome to Aminitan channel. Woo! Oh wow, long time didn't do any video reaction because I'm really busy with working and my practice for my group. So yeah, we will do a comeback soon for Enigma comeback. So yeah, and I just get better from toothache. Yeah, still get toothache right now. So it's really hurt. Okay, so yeah, and for today I'm really excited because my favorite is like second or third favorite group, KNK do a comeback with their new MV called Rain. Yeah, oops. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the video reaction. Oh, I'm really excited. Oh. Oh, kimchi. Hi, babe. Mabaya di Fiji. Kimchi, you so kacak lah kimchi, kurang hajar. Hey, Kim Youjin. Oh. Oh, kimchi. Kacak. Oh. Hey, makne. I love the song. Ooh. Your pen, so cute. Oh, your hair, wow. Oh, she's a big bicycle. Did Youjin hit him? Yeah, join song. The breakup dancers so much. Whoa! We really need breakup dancer with the umbrella. What the fish? Hi, babe. I'm here. Whoa, makne. gravity complete. Woohoo! And yeah, Magne. Stop buying Bio Striker. And now only Jihoon Kimchi being my Bio Striker. Actually, my bias first when I knew them is Yujin, but lately Jihoon and Heejun attract me a lot, and after that Jong In Song sometimes. Sorry for Jong In Song stan. Sometimes he attract me with his coolness, handsomeness. Yeah, handsomeness. New words. But all of them are tall and handsome. So yeah. But whatever it is, my babe always number one in my heart. Is it? So yeah, for the song I give 10 out of 10. I really love the song. And the MV was really good, and 9 out of 10. But I have to read the lyric first to understand the storyline. And it's you know that song about sadness. So yeah, but I really need to know why they drown into the river, the water, and then why Kimchi hurt himself, blood, sometimes on so on. So yeah, that's all for the video reaction for today. If you like the video, you can thumbs up, subscribe me down there. Yeah, thank you for subscribing, and welcome to the welcome to my family. Subscribing, thanks for subscribing me. Big hug. And yeah, share the videos, and if you have any ideas or comments for my next video reaction or for next video, you can comment down below. And yeah, see you in the next video. Annyeong. Bye.